Father's Day. Welcome to our Father's Day special in the woods.
With Matt and Blue.
Or Blue and Matt.
We're going camping somewhere in northern Arizona. I'm not really sure where. We have to find a place. I'm really hoping that it'll be some place that we can have a campfire because it's summertime here, and of course it's very dry, so that means probably no fire. Blue's about to wash down his truck because of course we can't go camping with a dirty truck, so he's gonna wash the truck so that we have a clean truck for our camping trip. And then we gotta pull all of our camping shit out, and it's all mixed up with all of our garage stuff, so it's gonna be kind of a big thing, but I'm pumped. This is Crow's first time camping, and I think we're gonna have some fun. Let's go for a ride.
Finally, we made it! This will be our home for the next few days. I'm going to check out our site.
Wait, Daddy.
Are you going to look for the creek? Hey! Get back here, crazy! First tent is set up by yours truly. Do you find your bed? Blue is really upset at me because he wants to move the tent over there because he feels more like woodsy, and there's pine needles. So now he's taking all the pine needles to the doorstep of the tent so it feels more forest-like and magical.
Busted. This is our Father's Day trip.
Because we are fathers!
Dads!
Dads! Dads! Dads! Dads!
Look at that bird! Look at that bird. That's a bald eagle.
Bald eagle?
How long are we here? We're here for 2 days?
2 nights.
For Father's Day.
Where are we again? What is the name of this campsite?
I have no clue.
We forgot what the name of the campsite is, but it's in the Tonto National Forest. Say goodbye.
We're gonna go get some wood. Chop some wood. What we do.
Eagle. Eagle?
Yeah, those are eagles. I think those are hawks. Shh, they're eagles. Yeah, they're hawks.
We're creeping up on the boys. Are you guys finding us some firewood?
Come on.
Oh.
There.
Jeez, back up. Hey, kid, back away.
This is your job. Find wood like this.
Yeah, you're supposed to be finding us little pieces of wood.
Daddy's got some firewood.
Very big log. Welcome to the woods. What do I hear? Wind in the trees.
Ah, tree.
Smell of pine.
I see pine.
Mother Nature.
Where's
my husband? Where's my son? So what are we gonna talk about? Oh my gosh! Oh!
Ah. Are you having fun?
Jeez, so down on that. Crazy.
Chug, 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 chug.
Listen, I love the woods. I would be stoked to live somewhere where there are a lot of trees and like where it looked like this. I just think I'd go out of my mind because I'd be so bored. I feel like camping is one of the things that you and I really bonded over early on in our relationship.
Did we go camping that early?
Listen.
I think it was pretty early on.
Listen.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Your car.
It's the wind.
You're not doing it right.
Car.
No, it's not cars. It's the wind.
It's the wind.
It's the
No.
It's the trees.
It's the
Yeah.
trees.
No.
Think about growing up and hearing that every day. How incredible that is. That's just, you hear that.
That's pretty crazy. I can't even imagine waking up and hearing that every day. That's so
I wish I would
not
have.
the world that I grew up in.
I wish I would have appreciated it more.
But what were you gonna say? We should talk about.
I don't know.
I know.
How's the shot look?
Can you see me doing this?
Can you see me doing
He
this?
said uh-oh. He said uh-oh.
She's cheesing for the camera.
Hey, you cheese ball.
Blue's getting serious about a fire right now. Whoa. Whoa. That was very impressive. Not gonna lie.
Can I say something?
Yes?
See, look at our fire.
That looks really good.
Matt, was concerned that maybe our fire was too big, like we were being irresponsible. He was really cute. He came over here and just shot the fire hydrant. So we can somehow edit it into the video and prove that
We're being responsible.
we're responsible.
I'm really nervous about our fire being so big.
It's not that big. I will protect the forest. You.
Oh my gosh.
I will protect the forest.
Hey!
I will protect the forest. This is the first time we've gone camping in a really long time, right?
Yes.
Years.
Yes.
And every time we ever went camping before that, we always had this dog named Crocifer, Yellow Crow. This is the first time in my adult life that I've been camping without my dog. It's sad, because I miss him, but at the same time, it's the first time that we've ever been camping with our son, whose name, coincidentally, is also Crocifer.
We're gonna give Daddy his marshmallow, and I'm gonna help you, because this is very dangerous. We need longer skewers, is the point.
Turn it.
Yeah, you gotta turn it.
Turn it.
Turn the marshmallow all around. Turn the marshmallow all around. Get it nice and toasted
Daddy, look.
on the outside, so the inside is real gooey. Hey, hey, hey!
That's my marshmallow.
You're gonna knock Daddy's marshmallow off. We need his marshmallow. You ready? First bite? How is it?
Okay.
It's good. What? You take it from me. Take it. It's messy. There's just no other way around it. Blue is the worst person to be camping with right now. He keeps going, oh my god, I heard something over there. It's shining the light. He's so paranoid that a bear is going to come attack us. He's making this the most stressful experience ever.
And I saw lights.
Yeah, You're crazy right now.
No, it's because I'm alert.
Maybe overly alert.
Think tomorrow morning.
Mm.
And that toilet.
Gross. Why do you have to be like that? I'll go to the woods. Those bathrooms are the worst.
You went in them?
I don't know. I just know ones that, like, campgrounds are always terrible. Oh my god, he's making a fire. He's my hero right now. So cold. Freezing. Where are my socks? Coffee. Morning fire. Coffee. When it's cold outside and you're in the woods. Still sleeping. Good morning. You still waking up?
What bush is that? The fire. Look at the smell over there.
Yeah. He's a cute little guy, isn't he?
All sorts of Snow White up in here right now. Hey, Bug, can you say hi?
Bug.
How's it going, Bug?
Wanna pet it? We're on our mission to pick up trash in the forest. Always leave the forest cleaner than when you arrived.
Good work.
Top of a deodorant.
Out here.
We're going to look for trash. What'd you find? What trash? Piece of paper? Hey, Bunny Ears. Come put it in the bucket. Good job. Good work, Bunny.
Bug.
Go work.
Hop,
Now.
hop, hop,
Lock
hop,
him up and throw
hop,
the kitty.
hop, hop, hop. We made it to the other side. Dum bum bum.
What time is it?
It's 5:30.
Is it really? I thought it was like 6.
No, it's 5:30. We gotta pack up our tent, so wait to move little guy to the car to sleep. So cold. It's time to go home. Blue's closing up camp. Cold as balls. Blue's getting mad at me for being loud. That's the end of our Father's Day camping trip. Back to real life. It's so cold.
Yeah, it is.
It's been pretty nice to be out of cell phone range. Totally disconnected from the world. I'm getting in trouble for being loud, so we gotta go.
5:30 a.m. This is the kind of time of the morning where you don't hear any sounds besides the birds and the stream that you whisper.
And Matt's voice.
You have to whisper.
Say it like in Wizard of Oz.
How do they?
She acts all surprised that she found apples.
Apples.
Apples. Apples. Say it again.
Apples. Apples.
Say it as loud as you can.
Apples.
Louder.
Wait.
Say it again.
No.
Come on.
No.